Hello, good day everyone. To grade 11 ICT Computer Systems Servicing students of Davao de Oro, I am Sir Yepes Saraus of Monkayo National High School, Senior High School, Monkayo West District, your teacher for this week's topics. Today, we will be learning new lesson. In your previous discussion, you learned about hand tools. And that hand tools is any tool that is powered by hand rather than a motor. The categories of hand tools includes wrenches, pliers, files, struck or hammer tools, screwdrivers, drills, and knives. And today, we will be learning how to maintain hand tools. So we will be discussing tool maintenance. And the main objective for this lesson is the learners demonstrate an understanding of maintenance of the hand tools. Now, what is tool maintenance? Tool maintenance, it is a systematic care and protection of tools in order to keep them in a safe, usable condition that limits downtime and extends productivity. There are 8 tool maintenance tips you need to follow. First, proper storage. Always store tools in a dry, climate-controlled environment. Moist and dirty environments can cause hand tools to rust and dull. And storing power tools in damp areas can degrade electrical components and cause parts to corrode over time. While fitting power tools back into their cases can be a pain, the case will go a long way towards protecting each tool from the environment. Second, clean off. It might seem like overkill at first, but be sure that each of your power tools gets cleaned every time you finish using it. Cleaning methods will vary from tool to tool, but most of the time, everyday cleaning can be as simple as wiping dirt and dust from the casing. Something as simple as a good wipe down will keep particles from building up and getting into your tool's internal mechanisms. Third, remember to regularly inspect your tools. If you are in the habit of using a power tool every day, it can be easy to fail to notice when that tool's performance gradually drops over time. That's why it is important to at least semi-regularly take a moment and inspect your most used tools, paying close attention to signs of wear and performance issues. Fourth, batteries for your power tools are expensive. The good news is that proper care can extend the life of your batteries and keep your tools operating at their highest levels. Batteries should be stored in controlled environments where the temperature remains consistent. kills battery performance, so you don't leave them in direct sunlight and always let them cool down after use and after charging. Also, try not to let your batteries drain completely before charging, as this can degrade their lifespan. Fifth, keep tools lubricated. Lubrication is an often neglected maintenance tip that can really drag down tools' performance. Sixth, sharpened bits is equal to longer tool life. Eventually, the sharpened tips of your saw blades and drill bits get worn down and dull. When you use a dull bit or blade in a tool, you are essentially forcing that tool to work even harder. By regularly sharpening bits and blades, you make it easier for your power tools to work through materials, putting less stress on the tool's motors and extending its life. 7. Let tools cool down. Quality power tools are tough, durable machines made to cut and drill through some pretty tough materials. But even the most well-made tools have a breaking point, and it's important to recognize when you are pushing a tool to or past its natural limit. If you are performing tough tasks like drilling into concrete and tool has overheated, give it a break. 8. Parts replacement. A tool failing is not always a sign that it should be thrown out or replaced with a newer model. Sometimes, all that needs to happen to get a tool back in a working condition is the replacement of an essential part, like a drive belt or a carbon brush. That's it for the tool maintenance. Always bear in mind that maintenance of the hand tools depends on the types and kinds of hand tools, and depends on the manufacturer's specification and maintenance instructions. Any question? None? Very good. It simply signifies that you understand our discussion. Since you are equipped with this knowledge, get a sheet of paper, then answer these 1 to 5 questions. The instruction is: write true if the statement is correct, and write false if not. Number 1. Tools should be kept in a good working condition through regular maintenance. Again, tools should be kept in good working condition through regular maintenance. Number 2. If a tool is damaged, you should try to repair to yourself before taking it back to the manufacturer. Again, if a tool is damaged, you should try to repair to yourself before taking it back to the manufacturer. Number 3. Dull blades are more dangerous than sharp blades. Again, dull blades are more dangerous than sharp blades. Number 4. The best way to carry a power tool is by the cord if you do not have a case. Again, the best way to carry a power tool is by the cord if you do not have a case. Number 5. You should never point compressed air guns towards anyone. Again, you should never point compressed air guns towards anyone. Now, let us check your answer. What is your answer on number 1? Yes, it's true. Tools should have regular maintenance. How about number 2? Of course, it is false. If it is under warranty, you should never attempt to repair before returning it to the manufacturer or store. How about number 3? Yes, that's true. Because a dull blade requires more pressure to cut, increasing the chance that the knife will slip with the great force behind it. How about number 4? What is your answer? It is false. Do not carry electrical tools by the power cord. Do not tie the power cords in knots. Knots can cause short circuits and shocks. The correct one is to loop the cords or use a twist lock plug. How about number 5? Of course, true. Compressed air can dislodge particles. These particles are a danger since they can enter your eyes or abrade the skin. That's all for today. I hope that you really learned something important and keep using and practicing what you have learned today. Like what Marshall McLuhan said, we become what we behold. We shape our tools and the tools shape us. Take good care of the hand tools and the tools will protect us from harm. Once again, this is Sir Rex Yepes Saraus of Monkayo National High School, Senior High School, Monkayo West District. Always remember, dito sa TV Eskwela, sa pag-aaral, sama-sama. Bye-bye!